Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can edit your videos on Canva. So watch this video till the end and subscribe to our channel if you are new and turn on the notifications to never miss a video from us. Now to start editing your videos on Canva, you need to choose the type of video that you are creating. If it's a normal video, you can choose this template, or if you want, you can choose from all of the templates that are available for any social media websites or even for slideshows. And there are a bunch of options such as Instagram Reels, LinkedIn video ads, TikTok videos. So you can choose from any of the options that you like. For now, I'm going to choose the simple video option. Now to upload your video, you can click on this upload option and go to video and upload file. You can choose the file from your device. For this video, I'm gonna choose the videos that are available on Canva. You can simply click on any of the videos and the video will be added to your workspace. You can stretch out the video to fill in the screen. Now if you want, you can also zoom into this by clicking Control and scrolling on the mouse. You can adjust the zoom like so. Now if you want to make any cuts in the video, you can place the cursor to the part where you want to cut the video and right click on it and then hit split. Again, split the video. Now this part is separated. For example, if you don't want this part, then you can delete it by tapping the delete key on your keyboard. If you want to add more videos to your scene, then you can click on this add page and then a new page will be added to your scene. From here you will be able to add more videos to your project. You can add audios to your video by going to the audio section. These are all the audios that Canva provides you. Some of them are free and some of them are the part of the pro version. If you have the pro version, then you can use all of these. If you want to upload your own audio, then you can again go to the upload section and click on uploads and upload your audio. Now to add audio to your file, you can pick any place that you want to add audio. Let's suppose you want to add audio from this part, then put your cursor in this place and then click on the audio. And that way the audio will start from this area and will not start from the beginning of the video. Now if you click on this video file, you can see a bunch of options in this. Here you can see you can make your video transparent by sliding this toggle button. You can, if your video has audio already built in, then you can also remove the audio from the video and add in your separate audio. Now here are also other bunch of options. You can also crop your video. Also you can flip it horizontally and vertically. You can add text into your video from going to the text section and then adding in the text you want. You can search for the text if you know the name of the text you want to add. After you select the text, there on the top the edit section for text will open automatically. From here you'll be able to edit your text also, add backgrounds to your text, or if you want to animate it, you can also animate it. You can also change the color of your video by selecting your video and then going to the color section and then choose colors. Let's suppose I choose this green. The background of the video will change to a green tone. So that's how you can edit your videos on Canva. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, then give this video a thumbs up, and we'll be back soon with more videos similar to this. Thank you for watching.